that watch. Orange and black, go OSU. Bam, she got me. Oh wait, I'm supposed to scream. Ah! So she stung me right there. And it's a tiny little white spot. I'll zoom in on it in a second. I don't want to release the female. Notice she's not dying. Only honeybees, when they sting, and relatives of honeybees, will die. All the others can sting you multiple times. So I can put her back and sting again. The weird thing about cicada killers, even though they're really big and they look really impressive, they don't hurt very much. It would have hurt me more if I'd thumbtacked my arm. And I've been stung by a lot, so I can tell you different insects that hurt more or less. So you can kind of start seeing a little bit of redness. It's going to welt up a little. Nothing like Coyote Peterson and his drama. All right, you can see the reddening and the area spreading there on my arm, right?